Life cycle costing. Life cycle costing analysis is a decision making tool which is a part of Project Design Studio 2. So in Project Design Studio 2 we have learnt lot of decision making tools, among which life cycle costing is a very vital decision making tool which we need to carry out during the feasibility stage of a particular infrastructure project. If we are able to calculate this LCC, life cycle costing, and sometimes it is also nomenclatured as LCCA, life cycle costing analysis, so we would be able to find out that which particular project among a number of options would be most feasible. So the project with minimum life cycle costing will be more feasible. Now, as the name suggests, life cycle costing, it involves the costing components for all the phases of a particular project life cycle. So to name with, it involves the cost components of the idea and feasibility phase, cost components of the design and development phase, cost components of the implementation phase, and finally cost components of the operation phase. So all the four phases comprising of idea and feasibility, design and development, implementation, and finally operation will comprise the design life or economic life of a particular project. So this is the life cycle of a particular project. We have a project formation, project build up, production, project operation, and finally project phase out or termination. So this is the life cycle of a technology. It starts from research and development, then the market introduction, growth, maturity, deterioration, finally death. So this process flow chart, it helps us to understand what are the different components of life cycle cost elements. So initially we have the initial costs. So what are the initial costs? These are the fee costs, construction costs, and other costs. What are the owner's total costs? It comprises of the financing costs, operation and energy costs, maintenance costs, salvage value, associated costs, tax elements, alteration and replacement costs. So this is the logic behind life cycle costing. So it starts with site and climate environmental data, and then it comes to the facility component, which comprises of initial cost, useful life, maintenance and operation, and finally the project specific information is required, like program, criteria and standards, operation and mode, operational mode, quantities, economics, miscellaneous data. All these are required as the inputs. So once we give these inputs, so then we come to the next component, which is generation of alternatives. So in the generation of alternatives, we try to find out the maximum number of alternatives which can be generated for that particular facility. For that we have to have configuration, subsystems, equipment, materials, methods, and finally we predict the life cycle cost. So what does it comprise of? Initial operation, maintenance, alteration, replacement, associated tax elements, salvage value. There are also some non-economic parameters of comparison. So like the criteria weighting, weighted evaluation, which actually has to be considered if we need to carry out a life cycle costing logic. So finally, after considering the entire all these different components, so we get the desired output. So life cycle costing, it is the economic assessment of an item, area, system or facility, considering all significant costs of ownership over an economic life. Life cycle costing covers the useful life of a product and hence can be utilized to compare the costs of any given time. It is the total cost of owning and operating a utility and is also a tool to assess the validity of a solution or an alternative in a given situation and helps in comparison of costs. To perform a life cycle analysis, the owner must provide designers with information regarding the facility, economic life, anticipated return on investment, cost of money, operation modes, as well as non-economic requirements such as safety, environmental, aesthetics, flexibility, potential, etc. Life cycle cost elements. First, initial costs. These include the owner's cost associated with initial development of a facility, including the project cost, fees, real estate, site, etc., as well as construction cost. Financing cost. These include the cost of any debt associated with the facility's capital costs. Operation. It includes energy costs. This includes the cost of fuel, lubricants, salaries, etc. to operate the facility or installation. Maintenance costs. These include the regular custodial care and repair, annual maintenance, contracts and salaries of the facility staff performing maintenance tasks. Alteration and replacement costs. These include the costs incurred for replacement of parts of a facility and the costs incurred for changing the function of a facility. Associated costs. These include other identifiable costs associated with a decision, facility decision like functional use, denial of use, security, insurance, etc. Tax elements. These include those assignable costs related to taxation, including credits and depreciation. Salvage value, value of the facility or utility at the end of its life cycle period. This is positive if it has residual economic value and negative if it requires demolition or removal. So in this life cycle costing logic, basically it helps us to make a decision making, and also impact of escalation has to be considered. Next, finally we come to the cost matrix in LCC analysis. So the cost matrix, it comprises of investment costs, land acquisition costs, engineering costs, redesign costs, cost of construction or production, administrative costs, replacement costs, salvage value, and finally operating costs. So now we have to go through a problem. So this particular problem is computation of a life cycle of a building facility. So the initial cost of the building is $60 per square foot. The size of the building is 1 lakh square foot. Interest rate is 18%. Life cycle is 40 years. Maintenance costs is average $6 per square foot. Design cost is 4.5% of the initial costs, and indirect costs is 1% of the initial cost. Alteration and replacement costs is $13 lakhs every 10 years. So we will see how this particular computation of LCC is carried out in the next module. Thank you.